How to make $3,000 per week selling Amazon products. You are reading the Ascode Review. Product name, the Ascode. Andrew Peterson. Category, e-business and e-marketing. Subcategory, affiliate marketing. Product type, videos, PDFs and software. Official website. Click here to visit the Ascode website. Risk, no, you can refund, money back guaranteed, for 60 days. Bonus and discount, yes, a package of 3 ebooks about how to make money on Amazon as an affiliate, $177 value. For free, click here to download the Ascode program and the 3 ebooks package for free. The Ascode about how to make $3,000 per week selling Amazon products. One single website to make incredible money online with minimal work each day. How to utilize Amazon for huge daily profits. In this short review about Andrew Peterson's product, the Ascode Review, I am going to mention some pros and cons about the Ascode product, so just keep reading the Ascode Review to the end. The Ascode Pros. The Ascode program is a unique way to make money online using Amazon Associates affiliate program. Anyone can use this system to make up to $3,000 in just 1 week. Simple, easy and powerful strategy to make huge earnings selling Amazon products. No special skills required. No knowledge or experience required. 30 minutes to start campaign and 1 day to see profits. Everything is ready to done for you. Nothing to worry about. The best, easiest and fastest method to make money on Amazon. Low price ticket compared to the results you will get. Live support 7/24 plus 100% money back guaranteed. This site is powered and trusted by ClickBank. The Ascode cons, online purchase risk, but you can refund within 60 days if it doesn't work. Although this system is proven, all the results depend on your effort and patience.